Are you part of the wired headset revolution? It's so much better for you than putting an AirPod on or putting the cell phone up to your head because there's EMF. We're finding out so much more about how EMF affects our biology. That can lead to DNA damage, infertility, it can even lead to cancer. So we try to stay away from it as much as we can. Air tube headsets are actually the best. You get this tube of air. I think you're gonna love them. So I hope that you'll give them a try. I'm August Bryce. Be well.